In this video, I will show you how you can fix if your AirPods 4 are not connecting with your iPhone. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just open the lid of your AirPods case and check if an LED lights up on the case or not. If you're unable to see an LED or if you see an orange LED, then this indicates that your AirPods are out of charge. Just plug in your AirPods into charge for a couple of minutes and then try to open the lid again. And also, if you have the ANC version of the AirPods 4, you can even use a wireless charger to charge your AirPods. Now, after you charge your AirPods for a couple of minutes, after that, just open the lid of your AirPods case. Then on your iPhone, just go to Settings and tap on Bluetooth. And from here, just make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on your iPhone. And after that, you will either see a pop-up on the screen to pair your AirPods with your iPhone, or you will see the signal of your AirPods in the Bluetooth settings. You just tap on the signal of your AirPods to pair your AirPods with your iPhone. But if you have done that and if this did not fix your issue, then on your iPhone just go to the Bluetooth settings and enable Bluetooth. After that, just tap on the eye icon in front of your AirPods name, and at the bottom of the page just select Forget this device. Tap on Forget device. Now after you've done that, now on your AirPods, just place both of your AirPods in the charging case, then close the lid. Now just wait for a couple of seconds, and after that just open the lid back open. From here, just double tap 3 times on the LED on the charging case. As you can see, this is the first time, the second time, and the third time. After the third double tap, you will see this orange LED starts blinking on your AirPods case, which indicates that you have done a factory reset on your AirPods. Now from here, just close the lid of your AirPods. Now just wait for a couple of seconds. And after that, before you pair your AirPods with your iPhone, on your iPhone, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on General. Tap on Software Update, and check if you have any update available or not. If you have any update available, just update the software of your iPhone. And after that, just go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. And once the force restart process is completed, now just open the lid of your AirPods case. Now you will see a pop-up on your iPhone screen which asks you if you want to connect this AirPod with your iPhone. If you cannot see this pop-up on the screen, just open the control center, then go to the connection section and make sure you enable Bluetooth. And after that, you should see the pop-up on the screen. If you still are unable to see the pop-up, then just double tap on your charging case until you see this white LED starts blinking on your AirPods, which indicates that you have entered into pairing mode. Now on your iPhone, just go to Settings, then go to the Bluetooth section. And under the Available Devices section, you should see the signal of your AirPods. So just tap on the name of your AirPods, and you will pair your AirPods with your iPhone, just like that. And this is how you can fix if your AirPods 4 are not connecting with your iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.